Hey guys, what's today? Today is much anticipated air conditioning day. So we're going to cut a hole in the roof, 14 inches in my case. Dometic is what I'm going with, 13,500 BTUs just for the bedroom. I'll put another one up front. But I'm putting support brackets in here to hold it up. So I'm going to have two, one here, one on the front side, and then you'll see we're going to screw through here into the air conditioning. That's going to kind of clamp it down with the roof piece, and then the decorative piece goes outside. I'm still doing stainless steel on here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to rivet this in for now just to hold it. If we need to put the stainless steel across and then go through the stainless steel, I can change it. If not, we're just going to stay with this piece of metal, but our stainless steel is going to come right up to our, or probably right up to here and around. I'm not 100% sure how that's all going to work, but yeah, so here we go. This is kind of what we're doing. So I'd also like to be the guy that leaves this thing on video and I talk throughout the whole thing and show you what I'm doing. Truth be told, I run around for tools more than I like to. I gotta go look for them. I don't know where I put them. I do more time traveling, looking for equipment, looking for tools, than I do actually doing the job. That's number one. Number two is, I'm not a video editor. I don't know how to do that. Okay, so you guys are gonna get a lot of time-lapse stuff. You're gonna get some of this talking stuff. And unfortunately, I'm sorry if you don't like the time-lapse with music. That's just the way it is. You want to come here and edit all the video and follow me around and do all that, you're more than welcome. I've got a full-time job. We also have a rental place that we rent out. That's a full-time job for us as well. I'm trying to do this bus. I'm trying to videotape it for you as best I can. And it's hot and it's miserable and it gets hot in the bus. So I'm not always going to be talking throughout this. I'm not always going to be explaining what I'm doing exactly. I'm drilling some holes. I'm going to put some pop rivets in. I'm going to cut a hole in the roof. And we're going to go like that. Okay, so we got the foam cut out here into our square. I've rechecked it again. 14 by 14 is what they want. 14 and a quarter. Well, 14 and a quarter is what they want, plus or minus an inch. Or, excuse me, an eighth. 14 and a quarter, plus or minus an eighth. Like I said earlier, it's hard to videotape, do all the stuff I gotta do, and talk you through this whole procedure. So, sometimes it's easier to talk you through it while I'm thinking about it at the same time. So I'm going to cut the hole. This is the last bit. This is the sealing the bus right here. So I did my measurements. I'm 14 and an eighth, 14 and 3/16. 14. What I'll have to do is just cut this in a little bit and straighten out that cut. Grab the grinder. See, once again, remember I said earlier, like all I do is run around looking for tools. No idea where the grinder is. Is it in the house? Is it in the house garage? Like, geez. No clue. No clue where it ended up. But this is it. This is the hole. And if you're ever wondering if the guy's nervous about cutting through the roof of their bus, yep, they are. Absolutely. I found the grinder. It was in the bay. Also found my good tape measure, my favorite one. What I'm going to do, so I'm going to cut a hole or drill a hole in each corner. And that will indicate my outside corners. And then I'm going to go onto the roof and I'm going to run a grinder at the top of the roof. I'm going to bring a straight edge up there with me, mark the lines, run the grinder through, and yeah, we should be good. So let's go safety first, I guess. I need some safety glasses before we start cutting in. I already got a piece of metal close to my eye today, and I don't really like that feeling. So, right in the corner, first hole in the bus roof. There it is. Second one. There it is. Third one. There it is. Fourth one. There you go. Okay, we're gonna head up there with the grinder and start cutting them. Oh, there you go. There's the hole. You can see the sun shining in. I'm going to go and get the ladder and I guess get a cloth, clean up the roof, and put her on top. We'll catch it. Well, I got it on the roof. I didn't videotape it. You'll probably know why. 120 pounds. Trying to get it up there by myself. I used a strap around my neck and yeah, just kind of, I don't know, I just manhandled it up there, and I didn't really want to see you. I didn't really want to videotape it if it fell and crashed. $1,300 all over the ground. I didn't want anybody to know that. So, but it's up there. Or maybe bring it a little closer so you can see. There she is. I'll just start installing it here now. I'll let you watch progress. We're up here, and the air conditioning is mounted in there. I've got these cross bars going across, and some of you might be asking what you're doing, what's going on, how come you got that? Because the actual faceplate needs to mount. What it does is it squeezes or pulls the air conditioning from the roof down, and if I just mounted it to the foam, which I kind of contemplated doing and just kind of squeezing it to the foam, then the big plastic bezel doesn't fit because between my drop ceiling here, it's too narrow for it. So I'm putting these on here to give the air conditioning unit something to pull against, and yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll show you what it looks like again once I get to that spot. guys, I don't know if you can hear that or not, but we have AC. And yeah, so I'm going to be putting that thing up and cleaning up the mess. But yeah, here it is. Absolutely blowing ice cold.